Hi, my dear children. Good morning to all. Welcome to Maths Online class. So, in the previous class, we learned about transversal and the angles made by the transversal. I hope all of you practiced that name of angles and the concept is very clear to you. Now, in today's class, we are going to check what is the relation between the two lines intersected by the transversal and the angles made by the transversal. That is, when the two lines which in the transversal is intersecting are parallel, then there is a relation between these angles. So we can check out what is this relation in today's video. Now if we say reversely, when these angles made by the transversal satisfy some condition, then we can say the transversal have intersected two parallel lines. So what is today's concept? When a transversal intersect two parallel lines, what is the relation between these type of angles? And reversely, when these angles satisfy these conditions, then the two lines are parallel. So we can check out what is the condition. Before discussing today's concept, let me recollect what we have learned yesterday. That means, what are the angles made by a transversal? We can recollect with the help of an example question. At the figure and identify the angles. Okay. Here which are the angles? 1, 4, 2, 3, 5, 8, 6, 7. Now from the figure you have to identify the pair of corresponding angles, pair of alternate interior and alternate exterior angles, and the interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So first, which all are the corresponding angles? By looking the figure, tell me the corresponding pair of angles. What is the corresponding pair of 4? Carefully look the figure and say which is the corresponding pair of 4. Yes, very good. 8. So the first pair is 4 and 8. Corresponding angles 4 and 8. Then second pair 1, 5. Then 3, 7, 2, 6. Then which are the alternate interior angles? So consider only the interior angles, then alternate interior. So what is alternate interior of 3? Yes, 5. And alternate interior of 2? 8. Now coming to the case of alternate exterior, the exterior of 4. What is the exterior of 4? Is it 5? No. Then which is the exterior of 4? 6. So alternate exterior of 4 is 6 and 1 is 7. Now the last set, which are the interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Which is the transversal here? C is the transversal and A and B are two lines. So this is the transversal. Now we are considering the interior angles 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 are one set of angles on the same side of the transversal. Then 2 and 5. So understood how to label the angles? Don't study by heart the angles. By comparing the figure, you learn the names of the angles. So all are remembering the angles found by the transversal. So now we can discuss what is the condition of the angles when the lines are parallel. What happens to the angles when the transversal intersects parallel lines? So you know which all are the angles when a transversal intersect two lines are formed, isn't it? Which all types of angles? Alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, corresponding angles, interior angles on the same side of the transversal, then interior angles, exterior angles. So these are the angles formed by a transversal. Now here first we are assuming the two lines intersected by the transversal are parallel. That means here two lines which all are A, B, and here the two lines are A and B and the transversal is C. So first we are assuming that A and B are parallel. A is parallel to B. If A is parallel to B, then there are some relation between corresponding angles, alternate interior angles and the angles on the same side of the transversal. So first we can check out the corresponding angles. So which are the corresponding angles here? Angle 1, angle 5. Angle 2, angle 6. Angle 3, angle 7. Angle 4 and angle 8. These are the four pairs of corresponding angles. When the two lines are parallel, these corresponding angles are equal. What is it? All the corresponding pairs of angles are equal. So what is it? When the two lines are parallel, each set of corresponding angles are equal. What are they? Angle 1 equal to angle 5, angle 2 equal to angle 6, angle 3 equal to angle 7, angle 4 equal to angle 8. This is the first one. Now, we can take the next set of angles. What are they? Alternate interior angles. So, what are the alternate interior angles here? Angle 3 and angle 6. Angle 4 and angle 5. Again, if A and B are parallel, that means these two lines are parallel, then the alternate interior angles are equal. That means angle 3 is equal to angle 6, angle 4 equal to angle 5. So, the second set, alternate interior angles also will be equal. Here we are discussing only about the alternate interior angles, not alternate exterior. So, corresponding angles, all pairs are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal. Now, the third one, what are the interior angles on the same side of the transversal? Which are they? 3, 5 and 4, 6. Now, the relation between them is the sum of these angles will be 180 degree. That means angle 3 plus angle 5 is 180 degree. Angle 4 plus angle 6 is 180 degree. That is, if A and B are parallel, then angle 3 plus angle 5 is 180 degree. Angle 4 plus angle 6 is 180 degree. So, what are the relation? When the two lines are parallel, here the two lines are what? A and B. When A and B are parallel and these two lines are intersected by a transversal, then we can say all the corresponding pairs are equal. Alternate interior angles are equal and the sum of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is 180 degree. These are the three conditions for the lines to be parallel. Now, in the inverse order, conversely, we can say if corresponding angles are equal, any set of corresponding angles are equal, then we can say two lines are parallel. Similarly, if alternate interior angles are equal, then these two lines are parallel. Also, if the sum of the interior angles on the same side of the transversal are equal, then also the two lines are parallel. So, these are the three conditions for the line to be parallel. So, today we discussed when a transversal intersect two parallel lines, what happens to the angles so formed. When the lines are parallel, each pair of corresponding angles will be equal. Alternate interior angles will be equal. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal will be 180 degree. So, these are the conditions when the lines are parallel. Now, in the reverse order, when one pair of corresponding angles are equal or alternate interior angles are equal or the interior angles on the same side of the transversal is 180, then we can say the lines are parallel. So, copy down the notes given, attend the test paper, write down that conditions properly and study well. Now we can, in the next video, we can solve some questions regarding this concept. Okay, bye.